Hey everyone, my name is Medina. I'm here to show you guys how to install NodeJS onto Ubuntu 20.0.4. So the first step is we should verify to see if we have NodeJS installed on the system. So you would type in node-version, and if you don't see 12.x or whatever, that means it's not installed. So that means we got to install it. So as you can see on the screen, these are the commands you're going to use to install it. First, we're going to download the package, and then we're going to install the package. I created an easy script that you can use, or you can use the commands on the screen to execute them, to download the package and install. As you can see, everything installs as soon as you run this script, or as soon as you run these two commands. Automatically gets the latest version. As you can see from the curl command, it's 12.x, so this is also backwards or forwards compatible, well, mostly forwards. So if there's a later version, you'll be able to download it. So step 3, we're going to verify to see if our Node.js version installed, node-version, and you should see v12.18.3 in the terminal. And once you verified, that's it. And of course, for ease of use, I do have this script in GitHub. So if you would like to follow the URL for, if you download a VM or something like that, you can always just grab this script, and you don't have to memorize or anything like that. I also have the 14.x version if you like the newest release. And thanks for watching.